Well, welcome back to the channel. We had a busy weekend this weekend on the XL. New tyres, the rear swing arms all cleaned up, repainted, put back on. We've got some new fork seals and dust covers, threw some new blinkers on, and yeah, kick back and watch a man struggle. Okay, so the back wheel's off and definitely need some new bearings on that. New sprocket and tyre, so we'll get that off to the motorbike shop during the week, get that sorted out. Brakes actually looked pretty good, but now we are on to removing this swing arm.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Well, that's the swing arm off, and for someone who said he wasn't going to give this thing a full restoration, geez, I might as well. Anyway, we'll get this swing arm cleaned up and painted and put back on. We'll wait for that rear wheel to come back, get that sorted, and then we'll pull the front end off and do the forks and everything to the front. It's just going to be a new bike. Alrighty, let's get into it. Now, the main reason I took this swing arm off is because I couldn't get these Phillips head screws out to put the new slider on, so I've just used the old impact driver and cracked them all. So there's two on each side, so we got those free, which is good. Just need to take them out fully, and we can clean this thing up and give it a coat of silver paint. Should come up looking pretty good. Alright, so the rear swing arm is all done. I know these aren't the right stickers, but that's what we had. It's all painted, all looking good. This chain slider or guard, whatever it's called, is cracked. I'll have to try and find a new one, but just like my bum, it's got a crack in it and it still works. So hopefully it'll be all right. But now we've just got to throw it back on, and we've got the new tyre on the wheel down here. I've just got to throw a new sprocket on that one, which we've got the chain and sprockets right there. So we should have the back end of this bike done today, and we'll start on the front forks. I've also just painted the rest of the motor today, so it's all looking pretty good. Still waiting on that seal, but we'll get there eventually, and still waiting on the carbies. But anyway, this is looking pretty cool. Almost forgot, threw a new grease nipple on there as well. This thing was pretty dry, so we'll give her a good grease, and then she'll be finished. All right, so I have been working on getting this sprocket off, and as you can see, I've had to go through a box of Allen keys. But anyway, we got it undone, and now we're going to have a look at our new rear sprocket. So, here we go. Looking good. Hopefully it goes on easier than it came off. There's our front sprocket. Oh, look. There's our old wheel bearings that we just got those replaced. And here is our chain. Oh, I was hoping for a nice gold one. Anyway, we can't put the chain on just yet, but we'll throw this sprocket on. And there we have it. The new sprocket is on. Got the new wheel bearings in there. New tyre. We'll throw it on.